In this video, we will be discussing about the functioning of the various structures involved in the ear. So let us start with the first thing is this ear pinna, which is for collection of sound waves. Because of its funnel-like appearance, we believe that it must be responsible for collection of sound waves. Initially, we used to think it is a vestigial organ because it did not have any significant functioning, but now it is for collection of sound waves. Then all the waves collected are carried, you have to see, they are carried from external ear to the internal ear. The direction is towards the internal ear, and this is through auditory canal, right? So auditory canal functions as the carrier for sound waves towards the internal ear. Then you see this thin membranous structure here, right? This membranous structure is eardrum. This is eardrum, and this eardrum being very much membranous, when it is hit by the sound waves, it starts vibrating. So vibration basically is the keyword, right? Eardrum vibrates, and that vibration is actually transferred towards the inner side. Let me use one more color for that. So vibrations are transferred to the middle ear. Now you have to see, children, that the vibrations of eardrum are not very much intense because it is merely a sound wave and it's not a drum beating basically. So in that case, whatever vibrations are transferred from eardrum to its most nearest bone, that is malleus, followed by incus and followed by stapes. So these three bones have an amplified, I told you in my previous video, amplified vibration is the reason for the liver-like arrangement, this liver-like arrangement of bones, right? For amplification means increasing the intensity of vibration, right? So sound waves are transferred towards the internal ear through middle ear because of the liver-like arrangement of bones in order to amplify the vibrations. And ultimately, the point of contact, this oval window where the stapes is in touch with the internal ear, right? This oval window transfers all those amplified vibrations towards the internal ear. Now we have to see whether the vibrations are related to hearing. So those vibrations will be sent to, just hold on, vibrations will be sent to this cochlea, because cochlea is meant for hearing. Why it is meant for hearing? Because of the receptor. I told you that everywhere the sense organs, they have concerned receptor cells to receive the stimulus. So for reception of sound stimulus, we have organ of corti. So certain cells are there which are collectively known as, like the way you called those cells of pancreas as islets of Langerhans. Similarly here, all the cells which are audio receptor cells, these audio receptor cells are collectively known as organ of corti, and they are present in the cochlea region. So this region is basically cochlea. The coiled region is cochlea, containing the audio receptors, organ of corti. Okay. And second thing was the semicircular canal. These canals are meant for the balance. Children, here you have to mark few things. Let me erase the hearing feature now so that the two features do not mix together. Just hold on. Right. Now we will be talking about this semicircular canal. So here the points: lower chamber, saccule or sacculus, one and the same thing. Upper one is atriculus or atricle, again one and the same thing. This base of the semicircular canal is ampulla. This is slightly swollen. And these are SCC, three semicircular canals. Collectively, they are known as vestibular apparatus. This question comes in boards many a times. They give the common term for semicircular canal, atricle and saccule, so it is vestibular apparatus. Okay children, here what you have to remember till the end is that semicircular canals are responsible for the dynamic balance of your body. That means when your body is in movement. And atricle and saccule, these are basically responsible for static balance of the body. That means when your body is at rest, when you are not moving. Okay, so again I am repeating, ear pinna for collection of sound waves, auditory canal for transferring the sound waves towards the internal ear, the eardrum, that, just hold on, my diagram actually, the eardrum is basically for vibration generation. Then vibrations are transferred from external ear to the internal ear through these bones, and these bones are in lever like arrangement so that the vibrations are amplified. Then the stapes, the innermost bone stapes, this transfers the vibration towards the internal ear through oval window, right? And the vibrations are sent to, if they are related to body balance, they will be sent to semicircular canal and atricle and saccule. But if they are related to hearing, they will be sent to cochlea, depending upon what kind of receptors are present where, right? Children, the last thing in this particular diagram is, please remember that this eustachian tube, when the function of this eustachian tube is asked, children tend to write that it connects the throat to the ear. It is the definition that eustachian tube is a tubular structure that connects the throat to the middle ear, right? But the function is to equalize air pressure. So eustachian tube has the function of equalizing air pressure. Okay, that's the operative term. So understand this, and the whole internal structure, this whole internal structure is basically tubular, so that means must be filled with some liquid so that the shape is maintained. So just like a pipeline. So inside the fluid present is, in semicircular canal, the fluid present is endolymph, right? Always remember, the fluid present in semicircular canal is endolymph, and for cochlea I'll be letting you know in my next video. I hope this much is clear to you. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.